you are being the twins and in same standard. Okay, so how you are helping each other for prepare this exam?
Help each other whenever in difficulty.
Okay.
It was really good. It fared better than the prelims at least. And we have maths on Monday.
Okay, your first time you are answering the board exam. What was the experience? How was the experience?
At first I was very scared, but later when I entered the classroom and all, it was a okay kind of atmosphere.
Okay.
Actually, I wasn't nervous like that, but then kind of answering board exams for the first time, so it's good.
Whereas only मातशें बरें कित्याक फर्स्ट टायम आमी केन्ना करूंक ना and then paper बीन मातशें बरें
So फाल्यां कसलो पेपर?
फाल्यां म्हणजे मंडे आमकां मॅथ्स
रेडी आहा मॅथ्स पेपर?
आतां कॉन्फिडन्स येयलो पयलीं नासलो
पेपर इजी था।
और फर्स्ट टाइम बोर्ड एग्जाम में बैठे आपको कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
पहले थोड़ा नर्वस थी, बाद में कॉन्फिडेंस था।
और आप लोग कसा आला पेपर आहे तुझं? फर्स्ट टाइम तुम्ही बोर्ड एक्झाम आन्सर करता, एक्सपिरियन्स किती असलो ओके, तुमचं काय प्रिपरेशन कशाची चालू असलं ते बोर्ड एक्झाम? कसा आला पेपर?
कसला असला पेपर? इंग्लिश.
कसे प्रिपरेशन झालं तुझे?
प्रिपरेशन बरं